So when we want to share information that we find from our science, we do things like science fairs where we present our findings to a body of our peers, also known as colleagues. Now in this case, as a scientist, I share my information, my results, and my findings with the public domain through several ways. The first way is through peer-reviewed research, where I publish my findings in a journal that has to stand up to a body of my peers to make sure that that information is correct and that it was decided objectively, which means without bias or without judgment. Secondly, I go to conferences of various kinds where I get to go and hang out and party with my friends, but at the same time I get to tell them all the new and interesting stuff that I just found out. And lastly, I get to visit with schools and with festivals and get to tell them about plants and invasive species and to remind people that not all weeds are weeds. When you present your data to a body of your peers or to anybody at all, it makes no sense to present what we call your raw data. And that can be many, many lines of data over many, many files. Your job is to take that data and interpret it. And that's the most important part of being a science, is taking your data and being able to interpret it objectively. And being able to relay your data in a visual way. Oftentimes, this is shown through a picture, a map, or a graph. And a picture can paint 1,000 words.
Visit the Natural Enquirer website for more information. There you can learn more about explaining your results and sharing them with others.